Hi everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute MPA. In this video, we are going to learn about scope of human resource management, role of human resource management, role of human resource managers, objectives versus functions of human resource management, managerial functions of human resource management, operational functions of human resource management, and challenges of human resource management in Indian economy. From entry to exit or recruitment to retirement of an employee in an organization should become under the scope of human resource management. Let us see what are the operational areas of human resource management. The first one is human resource planning. Second one is job analysis. Third one is job design. Fourth one is recruitment and selection. Fifth one is orientation and placement. Next, the sixth one is training and development. Seventh is performance appraisal. Eighth, job evaluation. Ninth one is employee and executive remuneration. 10th one is motivation. 11th one is communication. 12th one is welfare. 13th one is safety and health. And the last one is industrial relation. Based on the above set activities, we can summarize the scope of a human resource management into following 7 different stages. Introduction to human resource management, employee hiring, employee and executive remuneration, employee motivations, employee maintenance, industrial relation, and prospects of human resource management. Let us discuss on role of human resource management. Human resource advises management on the solution to any problems affecting people, personnel policies, and procedures. Let us discuss on personnel policies, organization structure, social responsibilities, employment terms and conditions, compensation, career and promotion, training and development, and industrial relation. Let us discuss on personnel procedures as well, relating to manpower planning procedures, recruitment and selection procedures, and employment procedures, training procedures, management development procedures, performance appraisal procedures, compensation procedures, industrial relation procedures, and health and safety procedures as well. Come to the second point, functional role. The personnel function formulates personnel policies in accordance with the company's doctrine and management guidelines. It provides guidance to managers to help them ensure that agreed policies are implemented. Third one is service role. Personnel function provides personal services. These services constitute the main activities carried out by the personnel department, like a payroll, disciplinary action, etc., and involve the implementation of the policies and procedures described above. Do you know what are the roles played by human resource managers in an organization? The first one is humanitarian role, reminding moral and ethical obligation to employees. And the second one is a counselor. He'll be act as a counselor, consultation to employees about marital, health, mental, physical, and career problems. He'll be act as a mediator as well, playing the role of a peacemaker during disputes, conflicts between individuals and group or management. Next is spokesman, to represent the company in media or other forums because he has better overall picture of his company operations. Next one is problem solver, solving problems of overall human resource management and long-term organizational planning. The sixth one is change agent, introducing and implementing institutional changes and installing organizational development programs. The last one is management of a manpower resources, broadly concerned with leadership both in the group and individual relationships and labor management relations. Let us discuss on the objectives versus functions of a human resource management. In the left side, you can see human resource objectives. On the right side, you can see supporting human resource management functions as well. The social objectives has supporting human resource management functions that are legal compliance, benefits, union management relations, etc. On organizational objectives, you can see the supporting human resource functions are human resource planning, employee relation, recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, placement and orientation, employee assessment. You can see the functional objectives, and the supporting human resource functions are performance appraisal, placement and orientation, employee assessment. And the next one is personal objectives. So in the personal objectives, you can see the functional supporting human resource management is training and development, performance appraisal, placement and orientation, compensation and employee assessment. Next, we can discuss on managerial functions of a human resource management. The managerial functions of a HRM are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. I hope you have learned all these things in Principles of Management. Let us discuss what exactly planning is. Research and plan about wage trends, labor market conditions, union demands and other personal benefits. So forecasting manpower needs also comes under planning of human resource management. What exactly human resource management organizing? So organizing manpower for the achievements of organizational goals and objectives. Next is staffing. Recruitment and selection process is called as a staffing. Next is directing. Insurance of orders and instructions, providing guidance and motivation to managers and employees. The last one is controlling. Regulating personal activities and policies according to plans. Observations and comparisons of deviations as well come under controlling. Let us discuss on the operational functions of a human resource management as well. The first one is procurement. Planning, recruitment and selection, induction and placements come under procurement. Second one is development. Training, development, career planning and counseling will be another operational function of a human resource management. The third one is compensation. Fixing of wages and salary, determination and administration is also part of operational functions of human resource management. Another one is integration. Integration of a human resource with the organization. Last one is maintenance. Sustaining and improving working condition, retention, employee communication comes under maintenance.